Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. Congratulations on your new Windows 11 update. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to move this taskbar to the left one. Okay, so let's get started. First is you need to search for taskbar settings here at the bottom search bar. Well, everything about the update of Windows 11 is good. It's just that the taskbar is in the center. So, in order to move that to the left, then please watch this video. Okay? So, once you search for taskbar settings, this best match will appear, and all you have to do is click on open. And the moment you click on open, you will be redirected to the taskbar settings. Here, just can simply scroll down. And next to other system tray icons, go for taskbar behaviors containing taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. Just click the arrow icon there. And here, aligning the taskbar alignment, click this and click this left. And now our taskbar is moved to the left. So that's it. It's very easy, right? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.